What's up, guys? In this video, I will show you two of the most reliable online trading platforms that you could go ahead and check out. I'm a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of P Prime. Link to this will be in the description of the video, and this is the landing page of FBS as well. Alright, so I will give you some information that I feel would definitely help you out in, choosing which one would better suit your trading needs. So copy trading allows users to automatically replicate the trades of experienced investors in real time. Now guys, by selecting a trader to follow, users can actually mirror their positions without needing in-depth market knowledge, which make it a popular option for beginners and passive investors alike. So when comparing these two online trading platforms, guys, you have PU Prime offering several key advantages that sets it apart in the copy trading space. PU Prime's platform features multiple copy trading modes, which gives users greater flexibility to tailor their strategies to their personal risk appetite and investment goals. So whether users prefer fixed ratio copying or possibly more dynamic allocation models, PU Prime is providing customizable options to suit various trading styles. Now, another one that I feel PU Prime is actually, having that great edge over FBS is that the platform is built to deliver at a higher trade execution rate, which also means that users will be able to better replicate the performance of their chosen traders with minimal delay. And this can actually be crucial in fast-moving markets where every second counts. And if you have been trading in the cryptocurrency space or Forex or whatever trading that is, you would know for a fact that, time is gold. A split-second decision could actually make or break your entry or exit for the trades that you're doing. Now, one of PU Prime's standout benefits is the ability for users to stop or pause copy trading at any time without risking penalty. All right. So this level of control is providing added peace of mind, especially for those that are testing the waters or just adjusting strategies based on, market conditions. Because at times, you really have to make some, really dynamic decisions wherein at the middle, like say, in 30 minutes, the market changed. I have to change this and change that, right? So you would be able to do that in PU Prime. Now, in terms of cost, guys, PU Prime offers highly competitive fees that make this platform accessible without compromising quality. And comparing it to FBS, guys, PU Prime's combination of advanced features, execution efficiency, and the user control provides a more well-rounded and flexible copy trading experience that is ideal for traders that are seeking simplicity and performance. So again, guys, I would leave it all up to you. Those two are actually, well known in terms of being that go-to online trading platform. But in just my honest opinion, PU Prime has better value. And they have even this one, guys. This is one thing that I also like about PU Prime is they all have these. Okay, so if you're new to trading, you could go ahead and explore the Learn tab right here, where it will show you the PU Prime Trading Academy. You also have quizzes there that would test out your knowledge. You have webinars, video tutorials, and ebooks. You have the analysis. And guys, if you haven't checked out my other videos about PU Prime, when I am actually showing the analysis that they have, all right, in their app. So if you choose, like say, for example, a certain, say in crypto, right? You check like Bitcoin and all that. If you tap that, they have that analysis that will definitely help you out in terms of, comparing it to your technical analysis. It always help to get a hold of those tools that would help you in making better decisions with all of your trades to make it more profitable. Like, increasing the percentage or the possibility of you getting more wins than your losses. So again, guys, go ahead and check them out. If you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.